Hey, what up guys? Today's video we're going to be doing a change on this car window. So what happened is me and my partner here was sweeping up all the glass already. We actually locked the keys in the car a long time ago, and the window was already shattered, but we just got a new car window in, so we're going to be replacing it today. And we already got the old one off, but to get it off you pretty much just get a razor and take all of this, it's called black urethane. Take it all off along with the glass and try to make it as clean as possible. Same thing on this one. We got the black urethane here, so you're gonna have to take a razor just like I was doing here, and you just slide it and take the urethane off and try to get as clean a cut as possible to get right down to the plastic trim. Okay, so we got most of the urethane off of the glass as clean as we could. It was very difficult to take it off on these areas right here where all the urethane was really clumped up, but just take your time and make sure you get it as clean as you can. But we did the glass, so now we just got to do this area here. You can see there's still a little bit left. Just gonna get it nice and clean so the urethane can get a good fitment onto there. And if you guys are wondering where we got the glass, we got this off eBay. This one was $80, and to pay for a new one I think it was like $180. So going for your used will save you about $100 if that matters to you. Alright, so here's your black urethane. We couldn't find this in AutoZone or Lowe's or Home Depot. Yeah. So we actually had to order it on Amazon, but it comes down to a pretty low price on there anyways. We got the 3M Auto Glass Urethane Windshield Adhesive.
Make sure it's an adhesive.
Yeah, and not a sealant, because sealant wouldn't be able to properly attach it. So we got that little cut there and we're ready to go. We're gonna start applying from the top and work our way down to the bottom, and then again from the top, and then work our way to have it conjoin on this end over here.
So we're just going back through and just putting more in the areas we didn't put enough.
And make sure that there's no empty looking areas, because if there is, then you might get some leaks going into the car once the window's actually installed. This would be the top area that we pointed out, so we're going to be working from here down to there, and then from here down back to there.
What's cool about peeling the previous urethane is you have an exact path that you need to use for reference when you apply the new urethane.
Okay, so after getting the urethane on both sides, go ahead and apply the window
Evenly. Make sure you get it even in all spots before you press it down. Start from the corner there, it's in there pretty good. Make sure that the car door shuts. There's a seatbelt in the way. Alright, so now all we have to do is put tape over the window and then let it dry.
Alright guys, so that's the finished product right there. If you guys have any questions, just drop a comment down below. And then we'll also have a link in the description to the black urethane that we used. But for now, it's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time.